Hi, today I'll be showing you how to use some of the features of Gooroo's virtual classroom, specifically the whiteboard view. When you enter a room, you'll see that you and your tutor can communicate via video, audio, and chat. If you click on the chat icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you'll be able to access your messages. There are a few ways you can upload an image or PDF, like copy and pasting or clicking and dragging. I'm going to click the Upload Image or PDF tool and select my math homework. Each page of my PDF appears in a separate tab in the classroom. One thing that you can do is rename the tabs so that it's easier to identify the content within each tab. Next, I'll show you how to draw and annotate. The Draw tool is useful for drawing freehand lines. The Eraser tool allows you to erase any component by clicking on it. You can also click and drag. The Shape tool allows you to create rectangles, circles, and triangles, as well as lines of different thicknesses. You can also change the line color and fill color of the shapes and lines that you create. The Text tool allows you to add text. This is really helpful in annotating your documents. The Equation tool allows you to insert fractions, exponents, and other mathematical symbols that you commonly use. You can always double-click your equation afterwards to edit it. Another way to remove a component you've created is to click it and then hit Delete on your keyboard. You can also click and drag to select components and delete them, or to move them around. One feature that I'll introduce but I won't go into in this video is taking video snapshots. If you click Take Video Snapshot, you can select your video or the other person's video to take a screenshot of. Now I'll show you how to change the background so that it suits the subject that you're working on. If you click the Change Background icon, you can select the type of background that you want. There are small, medium, and large grids, and also white and black. With this grid that I've chosen, it'll be a little bit easier to do graphs, geometry, and other math problems that I'm working on. Finally, if you right-click on any tab, you can duplicate or download the content of that tab. The type of file that you'll get when you download depends on the content, but for whiteboards, you'll download them as images. That's it for the features of the whiteboard. Check out our other tutorials to learn the other parts of Gooroo's virtual classroom.